Hi, this is Paul from KastKing. Today we're going to be talking a little about our Royal 1000 bait casting reel and how to set it up to try to avoid backlashes. The Royal 1000 comes with two types of cast control. This is your main cast control knob. We want to turn this all the way up, that's clockwise, till it's nice and tight. On the opposite side, we have magnetic cast control. That you want to turn about 5 or 6. So a simple way to set up your bait caster is to raise your rod with the lure you're going to be using up around 10 o'clock. Tighten your control knob all the way tight and put your magnetic control about halfway. Press the button to release your lure and it's not going to move. Keep it there and slowly back off on your control knob so you get a nice medium speed controlled drop. One more time. That's probably a little slow for me. I'm just going to let back a little further. Keep my rod about 10 o'clock. And let it drop. One more time. That's pretty much the speed I like, and there is no backlash on the reel. Now we're going to try to cast it. Remember, when you're casting a bait caster, try to keep the rod in front of you. Don't go past 2 o'clock and use mostly your wrist when making your cast. It's not about distance. When bass fishing and other types of fishing like that, it's more about location. No backlash. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope it helps you cut back on your backlashes in the future. If you want to leave a thumbs up or a review, please feel free to do so.